Hi everyone, this is our 15-388 final project, and we focused on analyzing tweets from public transit authorities to determine what led to the positive sentiment in the tweet or the negative sentiment. And my name's Charles Wang, and my partners were Kishan, Patel, and Richard Chiang. So we gathered data from six public transit authorities. They were chosen in that they were the five largest in the nation by ridership, and then our very own Pittsburgh Port Authority. And we want to see the sentiment about these tweets and determine if we could determine the cause for them. So we first started by doing some exploratory data analysis on these tweets, trying to break it down by which port authority, which public transit system it belonged to, and then breaking down even further by looking at if time or the day of the week affected it. And then we analyzed the words from the tweet to determine sentiment, and then use natural language processing to determine term frequency and reasons for the sentiment. So briefly looking at the results, you can see on the left are some of our exploratory data plots, and then on the right are some word clouds for these different terms. As you can look at the positive terms, and you can see words such as service, thank, and people, and maybe that will lead you to believe that maybe it was customer service that led to this positive tweet. And looking at the negative ones, you can see a lot of expletive terms and delay and late, so maybe something that led to them being passionate about the fact that they were late. And then these are the results of our natural language processing. You can see the bolded words are the most common words that were previously in the word cloud. And then these other words that are words that were more commonly used with these terms. And then finally, we took a peek inside the tweets themselves to actually determine how correct we were in our natural language processing. And you can see that people were using a lot of expletives because they were late.